I'm Tanisha.
And I'm Amyn.
And we are the team at Thank You Real Estate. We specialize in property management
Property sales
and lifestyle.
Our lifestyle service has two streams, buyer's agent and renovation projects. As a buyer agent, I can help you find home or investment anywhere in Australia. I can provide a wealth of knowledge, expertise, and value for your money, and most importantly, a great experience.
For all the renovation projects, I bring properties to life by doing a proper makeover. I bring you the best trades, work within your timelines, within your budget, and make sure that it is suited to your taste. This property is located in Westmead, where Amyn has helped purchase for his client, and I have done my renovation. Let's have a look. So if you are looking to buy, sell, rent or renovate your property, give us a call. Join our Thank You World today.